Hello everyone. In today's video, we are leaving the Lake Louise Inn, a resort located near Lake Louise in Alberta, Canada. It's a pet-friendly hotel, so we are heading out with our two dogs, Mocha and Coco. Let's get started. Let's take a look inside. There is a fully equipped kitchen with a full-size fridge, a mini oven, cookware, a microwave, and a coffee maker. The living room features a large dining table, a sofa bed, and a TV. In the master bedroom, there is a king-size bed, a table, and storage units. The master bathroom was a bit small, but it was clean and the amenities were great. Inside the living room closet, you will also find a safe and an iron. The second bathroom only has a glass shower, no bathtub. In the second bedroom, there are two queen-size beds, along with side tables and storage space. The pet-friendly rooms are usually assigned on the first floor, which is really convenient because you can access the terrace directly. Since the building is quite old, there is no air conditioning. Just a fan is provided, so keep that in mind for the summer. I also like the touch of the Lake Louise photo artwork in the room. Complimentary black tea and coffee are provided. Since it was our younger dog Coco's birthday month, we put up a little card for her. Make sure to bring your slippers with you.
들어가서 뺏어. 우리인가 봐. 누구야? 그냥 둘이 저러고.
Now we are heading to the restaurant inside the resort for dinner. There's also a snack corner in the lobby, which is super convenient. The restaurant was actually quite good. We really enjoyed our meal.
이게 스칼럽?
응.
와.
더.
On the day we visited, it was quite chilly, so they were serving hot chocolate and s'mores, which was a nice surprise. For amenities, there is a mini golf course scattered around the property, great for the families with kids. It's also a nice place to walk your dog. The indoor pool area includes hot tubs, plus water stations and towel service. Overall, it's a clean, friendly, and very family and pet-friendly resort. One of the main downsides is the daily resort fee charged on top of your room rate. If you don't plan on using the resort facilities or amenities, you may not get much value out of this extra cost. Something to keep in mind when booking. The location is amazing, just a short distance from Lake Louise, perfect for the quick visit. At 5:30 a.m., Lake Louise in May. There was even snow that day. After our morning walk at Lake Louise, we enjoyed a cup of coffee. Such a perfect moment. I hope you find this video helpful. Summer is just starting, so I will be back soon with another video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. Bye!